News 19 is your local election headquarters, and the federal court is once again blocking Alabama from using a congressional map at the center of a years-long legal battle over voting rights.
A three-judge panel ruled the state's Republican-backed redistricting plan likely discriminates against black voters and cannot be used in upcoming elections. News 19's Dallas Parker joins us now with what the ruling means for Alabama voters in the state's congressional districts as we move forward.
That's right. This latest decision keeps in place the court-drawn congressional map used during the 2024 elections, a map that created two districts where black voters make up either a majority or near majority of the voting population. Now, judges say Alabama's legislature ignored previous court orders when lawmakers approved a different map in 2023 containing just one majority black district. The redistricting fight has stretched on for years after civil rights groups argued Alabama's congressional map diluted the voting power of black residents. In 2023, federal judges ordered Alabama to create a second district where black voters would have an opportunity to elect a candidate of their choice. A court-appointed special master later drew a new map that was ultimately used in the 2024 election cycle. But after a recent U.S. Supreme Court ruling weakened portions of the Voting Rights Act, Alabama lawmakers attempted to revive a Republican-backed map with only one majority black district. Now, a federal panel says that plan likely amounts to intentional racial discrimination and cannot move forward for the 2026 elections. Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall has already said he plans to appeal the decision back to the U.S. Supreme Court, saying he is, quote, disappointed but not at all surprised that the three-judge panel has again struck down Alabama's blandly unobjectionable congressional map that has been in place for decades. Now, Governor Ivey also releasing a statement shortly after the injunction came down. It reads in part, Alabama's redistricting battle continues after federal judges temporarily blocked use of our 2023 congressional map. I fully support Attorney General Steve Marshall appealing this unsurprising decision to the U.S. Supreme Court, and I remain hopeful they will allow Alabama to move forward with our August 11th special primary election. I will continue to say Alabama knows our state, our people, and our districts best. Now, the current court-approved map helped elect two Democrats to Congress from Alabama for the first time in decades. Legal challenges are expected to continue as the case heads back toward the nation's highest court. Of course, tune into News 19 at 5 and 6 to hear some reaction from Alabama's House Minority Leader regarding today's redistricting update.